So, plenty of money around. We just have to grab it, okay? I have a complete strategy and we have connected few things in order to make everything work, okay? So, you can just follow it and, of course, hit that subscribe button and let's go make that money. First of all, what we can do, let's go straight to the point. Go to Google and just type in weight loss transformation, okay? Now, what do you need from this is you need certain image, okay? And you can choose whichever one of these images you want. We just need something which is a proof of how our program is working, okay? So, for example, I don't know, maybe you can take, I don't know, maybe let's take this one. We can just click on it and now you just take this picture. Now, what is this about? Well, it's just showing how people are losing weight. We can witness their amazing body transformation and we can use this to our own advantage, okay? So we need this picture for a start. You can simply just right click on it and click on Save Image As. It goes to your computer and that's it. The first step is done. And we do this in fitness niche because it's a very popular keyword. If you go to Google Trends and you type in weight loss, you will see that it is a popular keyword. And this is for the United States. You can see it is really skyrocketing. But you can, of course, change this to worldwide and you can see a whole different story, but it is similar, okay? So a lot of people are looking for it, and this can tell us that there's good money in it since it has a lot of traffic. Now, the next step is going over to Udemy, okay? And don't worry, I'm not gonna tell you to make your own course on Udemy to sell it. No, this is nothing of that sort. But we can utilize Udemy to today's strategy, all right? And this is how we can do it. If you go over to Disc Udemy, okay, this is like Udemy coupon page, okay? And you can actually get some courses for free if you go to Disc Udemy. And you can search, for example, for weight loss, so we can connect that to our niche, and you can see that there are few courses which are free to take. So, for example, fitness, nutrition, build your perfect diet in 5 easy steps. So when you click on it, you will get this coupon of yours. You can just scroll down a bit and you can see like what this is about, calories, macronutrients, whatever. You don't care, just click on take course and this will take you here, okay? And this is your course coupon. You have to copy this coupon, just copy that into clipboard so we can go to the next step. And if you actually click on it, you will be redirected to Udemy as well. You can see it is free. Now you can enroll now to this course and you can get like this 1 hour of on-demand video. So this is what we're gonna give people for free, okay? Since it's free, everybody's gonna click on it. So we have the picture and we have this course. Next on what you wanna do is you wanna go to your Gmail account, okay? If you don't have any Gmail account, just make one. It's gonna be pretty easy. Now what you wanna do is you just wanna click on these settings, okay? Click on settings and click on all settings to see all settings and just scroll down until you can see this, okay? Vacation responder, okay? Just turn this on. Vacation responder is a thing that, for example, you go on a vacation and you just make automatic message that is going to be sent to anyone that sends you an email in that time, okay? So we want to make this work because we're going to make people send us an email and this vacation responder is going to give them an email back, and this is what you have to put in that email. So you can just put like, congrats, you have just won your free course. Just write in the something like that, just write that the course is inside and people are gonna click on that email. So congrats, you have just won your free course. So this is the subject line. And here we will put this free course on udemy.com and people are gonna see that it's free, okay? So we can write something like, click here to get your free course, okay? So just click on that free course, and now what you want to do is you want to select this, okay? And you want to click on this button, link, okay? This button is going to turn that into link. So web address, we need to copy this address of the course. We got it here on Disc Udemy, remember? So we go and we paste that in here, and that's it. Okay, when people click on this, you can even just like highlight this so it can be better looking. And now you can just make another thing in here, which is gonna be paid for us, okay? This is where we get the money, okay? If you like the strategy so far, click that subscribe button. Thank you. Now we need to find the product which we are gonna sell, okay? And Digistore24 is the perfect place for it. Just click on register, make yourself a new account, make sure that this affiliate is selected, and you can access all of these offers, guys, and commissions are up to 85%. Weekly payouts always in time. 85% Digistore is perfect. You can as well do some research online. You can see on Trustpilot, guys, 4.7 out of 5. It is a really, really good website. There are some like bad comments about it, but trust me, this is working, okay? You'll end up just like this person, okay? I love you, Digistore. You can actually see on SimilarWeb that it has 2.6 million total visits per month, so this speaks for itself. So once you log in inside of it, just click on Marketplace and of course go to Fitness and Health. Now in Fitness and Health, you're gonna receive a lot of these offers, okay? And you can choose whatever you want. You have a lot of these pages, and for example, this is a good one, Lean Belly, okay? So these are the pills, okay? And you get like $50 per each one of those sales, okay? $50, guys. Of course, you can choose another product, whichever one you want, but this is the one I use, and I got a lot of money with it. So now you just have to copy this link, click on promote, and this is copied. Go back to your vacation responder, and now type in something like this. If you want to try these pills that made me lose this much weight, click here. And of course, this click here, just make a link, paste that Digistore affiliate link of yours, click on OK, and of course, highlight this one as well, okay? And this is it. This is the email. Now we need to get people to send you an email first so they can get this vacation responder, okay? Just click on Save Changes. That's it. That's gonna be done. And now just go over to this website, which is called MeWe. MeWe is a new social network, okay? You can see that this is like same as Facebook, for example, and you can use Facebook as well, but let me show you on here. So you can just search for fitness groups, okay? Just search for that and just head over to groups, and then you can just join into all of these groups, go inside of them, and you will just put your email in it. So you can just tell them, so guys, just take a look at this. I've lost a lot of weight. You can just put a picture, which we have downloaded just like this person, and you even have a group chat in here. Just type your call to action here, insert your picture, which we have downloaded, and just tell them that you have lost a lot of weight, and remember to put an email so you can tell to them. So for example, guys or girls, if you want to lose weight like I did, just send me an email. I'm gonna respond to you and I'm gonna tell you the free course that I have used. And that's it, guys. A lot of people are gonna do that. A lot of them are gonna send you an email and you are gonna get the money for each one of those sales. MeWe.com, as you can see, has 7.1 million views. Trust me, guys, and a lot of people are gonna click on it. But of course, you can use any other source, Facebook, Reddit, whatever you want. It's gonna work. There can be a lot of money, so just take that action, and I'll catch you later.